best 3D printers under $300 are now more powerful and beginner-friendly than ever, offering high printing speed, auto-leveling, and reliable print quality at an affordable price. Many models in this range are designed for easy setup and can handle a variety of materials, making them a great choice for hobbyists, students, and anyone starting with 3D printing. Starting at number 1, official Creality Ender-3 the 3D printer. The official Creality Ender-3 3D printer is a popular, budget-friendly DIY 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want reliable performance and upgrade flexibility. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it offers a compact build volume of 8.66, 666 was 9.84 inches, making it suitable for small to medium-sized models and everyday projects. Its fully open-source design allows users to customize and upgrade components easily, while the resume printing function ensures your work can continue after unexpected power interruptions. With a simple yet effective setup, the Ender-3 is widely appreciated for its solid print quality, strong community support, and long-term upgrade potential. Number 2. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer is a high-speed Core XY machine designed for precision, reliability, and ease of use right out of the box. It delivers ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 500 mm while maintaining stable and accurate output, making it suitable for both rapid prototyping and detailed models. With a 256x256x256 mm build volume, it offers a balanced space for a wide range of creative and technical projects. Equipped with auto-calibration for easy setup, a high-temperature 320° nozzle for handling advanced materials, and a built-in camera for real-time monitoring, it provides a smart and user-friendly printing experience. Number 3. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K2 SE 3D Printer is a compact, high-speed desktop 3D printer designed for smooth performance and versatile printing capabilities. It supports multicolor printing through the CFS system, allowing users to create more detailed and creative models. With printing speeds of up to 500 mm, it delivers fast results while maintaining accuracy through its auto-leveling system and vibration control technology. Featuring a build size of 220x215x245 mm, it is well suited for everyday projects, prototypes, and hobby creations. Its compact design makes it ideal for home or office setups, while the upgraded structure ensures stability during high-speed operation. Number 4. Creality Ender-3 V3 KE. The Creality Ender-3 V3 KE 3D printer is a fast and user-friendly machine designed for smooth, high-quality printing. It offers printing speeds of up to 500 mm while maintaining stability and precision, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. With a build volume of 220x250 mm, it provides enough space for a wide range of everyday projects and prototypes. Equipped with automatic bed leveling, it ensures easy setup and consistent first layers. Number 5. ELEGOO Mars. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Resin 3D printer is a compact and precise desktop printer designed for high-detail resin printing. It features a 4K monochrome LCD screen that delivers sharp, highly detailed models with smooth surface quality, making it ideal for miniatures, prototypes, and artistic creations. With automatic leveling, it offers an easy setup experience, allowing users to start printing quickly without complex calibration. Its build volume of 5.65, 3.53, 5.91 inches is well suited for small, intricate projects where accuracy is more important than size.